what this number equals, what the log equals is basically the exponent. So this means 2 to what power equals 16? 4. 4. 2 to the 4th power equals 16. Okay, and the way that you rewrite this is actually kind of funny. You will probably always remember this. Okay.
That means we're gonna hate it.
This is logarithmic form, okay? This is log form. And we want to rewrite this, and I'm sorry, I didn't write the instructions. I should have rewrite each equation in exponential form. We're gonna write it in exponential form. And the way that you do that, okay, we're going from log to expo. What does exponential begin with? What letter? E. Okay, so.
What?
Good guess.
Wait, who said what?
You said Y, but I get it. Y equals something. Okay. So we're going to make an E. Exponential begins with E. We're trying to make this into an E. I don't even know when I learned this, but I have used this forever. All right, so 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Do you see our E? Okay.
What the heck?
Do you see I made an E? This is how you remember this.
Girl.
2 to the power of 4 equals 16.
Okay, no, that's
Making
actually
roller
very,
coasters and
that's
math.
cute.
Actually, that is fun.
That's
Mrs. Brown, actually, I think that's an L.
Don't complicate it.
But that's what
So
it
will that
looks
always
like.
be like that?
Yes.
It will always be a loopy-loop.
Yes, if you're going from logarithmic to exponential form, and it has to be the log first. If the number's first, then it's
The only thing you're gonna see on my homework is whoop.
yeah. Whoop.
I need more.
Yeah, show your work.
I will say the current seniors, when they were in pre-cal, they were really struggling in pre-cal, but when they got to logs, they loved logs because of from algebra 2, they felt like they knew logs. So hopefully
Take that.
y'all will.
They were just
Why are
good
they no
fish
pre-cal?
grades.
You can give Flash Royale.
Taking them for
Log to the base E, because remember I said E is a number, of 1 equals 0. So we're going to rewrite this in exponential form. So you just go, okay, E to the power of this equals this one. Okay.
So wait.
And the exponential would
So
be.
tell me what it is.
E to the power of 0
What?
equals
Equals 1.
And anything
Yeah,
to the power of 0 equals
1.
1.
Yeah.
So E is.
so
let's go.
retarded, bro.
One.
And, well, no,
E
E
can be
is
anything.
2 point.
Oh, E is, yeah, never mind.
Shut up.
Wait, E is 2.17 something.
But to the power of 0 is 1.
So the
yeah,
E in
yeah,
the
yeah.
little loop-de-loop is the order in which you write the numbers. This number to the power of this one equals this one.
It better not be
Okay.
just
And it looks
mine.
like an E-ish.
This homework's so easy. You just
No.
rewrite it.
No, it really.
That's all it is.
You just do a bunch of Jack. Can we start now?
Eric Carter's gonna come back with like 85 problems done. Wait, what did he say?
He said he's already taking this class.
I got my notes from last year.
Huh?
Are we doing some of our homework in
Oh.
class?
Yeah, we can. All right, so this one. Someone want to tell me this one?
Wait, hold on.
So start at 12, go to the 1, and then go back to 12.
Oh,
Okay, so how do I write it exactly?
12
the power
to
of
the
1
first
equals 12.
power equals 12.
Yeah.
I feel like that's
And
common
then you
sense.
can check these, make sure, is this true? Then you know if you did it right. Because you have like 2 to the power of 16 equals 4. That's not right. Right? Or 12, like, so 12 to the power of 1 equals 12. That's correct.
Okay.
I'm getting it.
Okay, no
You're
more.
getting it?
Yes!
That means we're about to stop getting it. If Anna's getting it, that means we're all about to stop.
No.
Clouds. Yeah, I love that moment when the clouds
My
part.
grades are
saying,
gonna die.
what the?
They
I
fall
skipped
apart
the
right
word.
before they
I
fall.
was like, explain this. I was like, nope. I'm doing
Was it the
calculus.
borax crystal?
No, I haven't done any of those.
Oh, I was like, the borax
It's
crystal
gonna
was
kill all
the
my
spring.
brain cells
I'm so
trying to figure this
Like the
out.
Oh,
board crystal,
not
that was easy.
I didn't pay attention in
Miss
my lab.
Brown.
So this is the
I
log.
heard you.
We're gonna write an exponential form. Okay. So this one to the power of this equals this one, right? So how do I write it?
Oh, girl, 1/4 to the power of 1 equals 4.
I'm gonna put it like that, to the power of 1 equals. Oh, negative 1.
Negative 1, yeah.
And think about
I
that.
see negative.
Remember, what does the negative do to the,
Flip it.
it flips it over, right? So that's true. 1/4
I'm like,
raised to the negative 1 should
Flip it.
Oh, I hit my mouth.
Wait, what?
Oh, you okay?
That's okay.
It's dangerous.
I know. I was like this, and I was like, whoa, not.
Are there gonna be not true logs?
Don't even
Well,
say
you
it.
did it wrong.
Okay.
If you did it wrong.
I just have to get through
I
this.
don't.
I just have to get through this.
Do we
week,
have an
and then
example
Go
E?
spend all weekend at a pond and do not care at all about a single thing.
Okay, can I give you guys like 4 of these? You're gonna do 4.
Yes.
Let's try.
Is this all our homework
Huh?
is? Is all our homework is?
Like, it doesn't
Going
get
loopy
harder.
loops?
What was that?
Baby.
Where's the-
Yeah, I got a problem.
geometry.
You're not a friend that you didn't find the whiteboard.
I can't find
Lecture
it.
me
David.
in freaking one date talk,
Shut up. You shut
and you
up.
missed 2 of them. I don't want to hear it.
I hope it gets hotter.
What?
I hope it gets hotter.
I forgot.
That's a 1. Can you tell them
So
the
much.
word?
We can
No.
tell.
Bro, David, you remember how
What'd you say?
saucy reels
Say it
were
again.
back in
Say
the
it again.
day? Not reels. Vine.
This is so gross. Please tell me never to get this again.
Look.
Who wants to come do the? Do
No.
me.
Wait, can we give
Cool.
us 2 seconds, please? Not yet, Bellamy.
Can I go?
I'll go do one.
I'll wait.
Dog. Just stay in your seat for a second.
What the heck? This.
Okay,
Number
did
two
it-
exist.
Do we have a 3 or a
I'm
4?
so happy.
Why does this exist?
Not yet. Let's just do.
I'm walking up there now.
No, Bellamy.
You're gonna finish before I get there.
If you
Go up there, Jake.
Can I
You
do one?
don't need permission to do math.
I would like to do one, Miss Brown.
We gotta wait for Kinley.
Justin volunteered, but I'll let you do the next one.
Okay.
He
I'll
can,
do
he
the
can
go.
go. He can go if he wants to. No, it's okay. She said it's okay. She said I can do the next one. Okay. It's alright.
14 to the 0 power equals 1. And is that true? Yes. Anything to the 0 power.
That's embarrassing for you.
You ever like stare at like a whiteboard or
I
something?
swear
for
to
a
God.
long time?
Do you want me to do the squiggle
Try
thing?
it.
Sure.
It's like your,
I wanna try it.
what do you call it?
I wanna try
No,
it.
sick.
Miss Brown.
I
Ooh,
actually
what
had
is
peanut butter
that?
earlier, so.
What is that?
Oh, that's not.
Remember when it was COVID and you only had me and Bellamy in your class?
But wasn't I going? Because I had it too. I was at home.
Yes,
no,
sir.
I
We
just
gave it
did-
to everyone.
We did a Zoom one time,
Yeah.
and it was only like me, David, Kinley, and I think Riley actually showed up for once. And
For what?
it was just us 4 in this class, and we were just like we weren't even like learning anything. You were just like talking to us because only 4 people showed up.
That was the worst. Oh, that was the worst.
That was so funny.
All right.
It tastes like your what do you call it? Your
Good.
packets.
Good. Did y'all get this?
Oh.
It looks like 14 degrees equals.
I know.
You make me try your crackers.
No, I have to do one
You
before
literally
we
make me
do
try
our
your
homework.
July members
Oh,
of it.
yeah.
Good.
You need to shut your trap, boy.
I will give you right now.
Why would I do it
It's so
first?
good.
That's a good point.
I didn't like
You make
yours.
these different
You
videos.
made your GM ones first. You made whatever you call it. GM ones more. Disgusting.
Here we go.
I've asked my mom to go home once before, and she says only if I can go home.
Being sick is the best thing you got
You know, I gotta do this right here first, make sure I get it figured out, you know what I'm saying?
No.
You have
Shut
a lot of
up.
course today.
I didn't ask for your opinion, boy.
We can learn that.
It's a bomb, man. Jake, you on necessity today.
Okay, I think I got it, Miss Brown.
Wait.
You're right.
Okay. Just don't put it in the
Jake,
box.
don't even go. Don't
Got this,
go.
Jake.
I gotta pick a marker. What the heck? Marker's right there. Now do I want the lime green or the dark,
Yes, decisions.
dark green? Lime green is
Wait.
bright, get that out of here.
Okay,
Just do the problem, Jake.
Did everybody do it?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this, kids. Get good old,
Jakey, that ain't an E or an L.
Oh,
it's just
good.
a really fat O.
Wait, is it Romans? It's 8.
Yay!
Word is the
Right.
same
Oh,
because
that's fit.
I don't
22
know.
to
Is that
23?
ESV version? 22 and 23, yeah.
Oh, only? Okay. I was
Well,
looking at
that
19
is
through.
true. We don't switch it when
Oh,
we just
man.
write it and then do more.
Because if you switched it before you wrote it, it'd be
Okay.
completely.
Well, it would still be the same thing, but if you were going to simplify this, then you could go ahead and flip it and change it.
Are you ready?
Okay.
It just wouldn't be in the right.
Alright, now the other way. Alright, now we're gonna go from turning
A backwards E?
No.
A backwards.
Now we're gonna go from exponential form into logarithmic.
No.
Again, folks, we're just going the other way. Just retrace your steps. It's like transformer instructions. Go back, go forward.
Megan Fox.
It is gonna
I
always-
agree-
that's
I-
kind of
Yes,
what do
I
with it.
concur.
Oh,
I agree
kind
with
of makes me think of.
She's crazy, bro.
Ryan Reynolds?
Her and
Still
Machine,
better, though.
Yeah,
her and
Ryan
Machine
Reynolds
Gun Kelly are
always
perfect for each other.
Who?
Megan Fox.
Megan
Didn't they
Fox.
drink
Yeah.
blood?
Yeah,
What?
something like that.
Yeah.
No, they carry a vial of each other's blood or something.
Women aren't
Maybe
big.
they didn't drink. I don't know. That's
That's what every man says. If
They're-
you're a
they're-
man, you agree.
Their rings have like teeth on the inside of them
He's not
that
gay, but
hurt when you take them off.
Oh.
Like for symbolism, like you know, if you take off your wedding ring, it's like it's supposed to hurt.
They're
Your daddy
definitely
said
drinking
that.
each other's blood.
Oh, it was that.
Your dad or your
She
stepdad was
did
like,
That was
Oh.
two gay guys.
yeah.
The
What's up,
Jason
Bill?
Samoa.
Okay, well, who has X and Sam Smith?
Is it
The
Samoa or
devil?
Momoa? I think it's Jason Momoa.
I'd be fine if they hit a road.
We're gonna go from exponential form now
No.
What does log begin with?
L.
L.
Oh
Okay.
goodness, wrong.
So it's gonna draw an
so
L. It's a little tortured going this way, but I work. This has always worked for me.
This is what
Now,
Jakey said.
It has to be in this form, okay? It has to have. All right, here we go. Log.
No.
Just listen. Log base
Can you use
5
the key?
of 25 equals 2.
What?
That's a G. That's a G.
I don't wanna
That's
do
a
that
G.
now.
That's what I can do.
You could just do a triangle, like,
It's no table.
or greater than sign.
I mean, it's just all we have to do.
Log of 5.
No, yeah, log base 5 of 25
Equals 2.
2.
Okay,
How?
that's easy.
I'm just gonna tell you right now, my numbers are not
Just
gonna be
write
smaller
it in
than
the
one.
order that you're saying.
Wait, how is log base 5 of 25?
It could be worse.
This is big dumb.
It could be a lot worse. Hey guys, literally, it's just reformat.
No.
You should draw a line.
Yo.
Even if it is easy, it's still dumb.
Well, I didn't say it wasn't dumb, but it's.
Oh, I don't have a flaw.
Are we gonna have to write it like that? Like log base 5 of 25
No.
No, I don't
No.
think it is.
equals 2.
Yeah,
Gotta
right,
show
it's
you
like-
what though, Jack.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
Show what work?
That.
It's easy.
Draw the line.
I don't mind
The line.
You know, I
Is
feel
it
like
like that?
Gingy feels right now. Like that face.
Today?
That face embodies my feelings. Yeah. I will whack you with a lollipop.
That will never get old.
I found my blue tank top. Good friend.
Congratulations.
I found it.
Are y'all still trying to match
No.
everything?
No, we
This
had
girl
no.
literally-
What the heck? Why'd you
Yesterday we had this Swedish street code, right?
You don't have to do any thinking.
I'll explain mine.
Just
Oh, Jake!
draw the little chain.
Fingers.
There's no thinking. Just
He's already done.
log base 10
What?
of 0.1 equals.
Did you just run to the window trying to get Mr. Murray's attention?
Mr. Murray.
I'm calling him out.
Yeah, we all are now.
Jake Murray, whatever, Murray.
Coach
okay?
Murray.
Coach Murray, Jake Murray,
All
Mr.
right.
Murray, Eve's dad, whatever.
Every
I'm about to just leave school. I can't.
Well, I thought you were going to. You should have just hopped out the window.
What's stopping
everyone's calling him Mr. Murray
Honestly,
today.
Math. That's the only thing stopping me.
you? No, the only thing that's stopping me.
No, it looks like the only thing stopping you is a window.
I didn't get it wrong, and that makes me a happy family.
You got this, right?
I didn't.
Papa ain't happy.
No.
Okay, another one. It's big. Are you all getting it? Is it coming? to
It's
you?
coming.
Yeah.
Sort of.
It always has to be like the bigger stuff on the left, the equal sign, and then one number. If this was in the opposite order, this little L thing would
Brown,
work.
What are
brown.
you laughing about, dude?
Are we
That's
gonna-
funny. You're just not moving.
Downy Brownie.
thought of something funny.
Are we gonna
Okay.
have to figure out like each individual number? Like
At times.
What?
that sucks. That's good.
Without the use of a calculator.
I think if I did it.
Brown, I will
I did
quit.
this.
I will
What?
just throw in the
Alright.
towel.
Why are we throwing in the towel?
Someone tell me what this one is.
Log base
Oh.
8 4 equals 2/3.
Bro.
How? Possibly.
It's not even math.
Probably.
It's not even math, it's just patterns.
Oh, it
Really
will be
hard.
math.
That's what math is. Math is
No,
pattern.
math is
Period.
Yeah, except this is patterns that we don't have to actually do in
David.
computing.
Yeah.
David, it will be math very soon, and it won't be fun.
No, it won't.
Well, yes, you're right.
No. Okay.
I
Be
know.
happy that the
I
homework
told you
is-
it could get worse.
Why is it still
And I'll let you
going?
get worse in this class.
Alright, one more.
What the actual?
Why would you?
Whoa.
What the?
What is that from?
Why would you do that?
It's just
You know the audio that's like, oh my gosh.
Okay, so how do we do it?
Wait,
Okay, hold on. Come here.
This is gay.
Let's try it, everyone.
Wait,
We don't get. Don't
since it's
say.
a negative exponent, do you have to flip it before we
You don't
or-
do anything when you're rewriting. Just
I
write it
think I did it
exactly
this
as it
round.
is.
I think I did it, but
I didn't get
I don't
Yeah.
That's plagiarism.
Log base what?
6
6.
Of
1 over
216.
216 equals negative
negative
3.
Wow.
really
I hate this so much. This is so stupid.
It was like if I gave a crowd a bustle
This
for
is
every time I
dumb.
got a math problem wrong, it was
It's
just Ronnie Coleman. Ronnie Coleman flexed
The
it on
math
stage.
part of this.
Bro, I would be literally a landslide.
We would be massive.
We would all be cliffs, dude.
God. We'd be so big we couldn't work.
Okay, so
Yeah, we'd have to use like one of
here's
those little,
a
whatever those
property
things are.
real quick that we're gonna learn some properties of logs. Okay, so if I have the log of 1, what did it equal?
0.
And it had a base e, right? I had a log with, where's another one? base 14 of 1, what did it equal?
Zero.
0. So there's a property that says any log, a log with any base of 1 will always equal 0. Yeah. This is called, it's just called the logarithm of 1. So,
Wow, what a
Equals
interesting name.
0.
yeah.
Base of 1.
No.
Let's just tell me the first time I was just rewriting and stuff.
She already said that like 8 times, people.
She already said that like.
Okay, well she did.
David, you gotta keep your word.
Wrench all on the lips.
No.
Log base b of
Exactly.
1 will always equal 0. Okay?
Why did I write this down? This is common sense.
Is this
Whoa,
important?
whoa. Where's B coming from?
Usually these
I
are
mean,
just
you
common
do want to
sense.
remember.
What'd you say the B
We
came
just
from?
get the homework now.
Oh, the B is just like a
Talk it
phone
out.
number.
Okay.
So I don't have to see it ever again.
Oh no, you'll be seeing this quite a few
Oh,
more
got it.
times, buddy. Sorry.
Log of B with base B.
Oh,
So
okay.
if the base and the log match, let me see if I can find an example. We did one like that.
What the world, girl?
So this one. If the base and the log, if these match, what is it going to equal always?
1.
1, because this number to the first power will equal itself, right?
Okay.
So if they match, so log base b of b, if they're the same number, it will always equal 1.
Examples?
Alright,
So
now the tricky part.
You love that, didn't you?
We're gonna get to evaluating logs.
No.
Yeah,
but
When does it stop?
doing the first part.
Yeah.
We jinxed it.
You asked her too many times.
This would be like the last 3
We
problems.
jinxed it.
I'm going to.
I'm sorry, if I answered that question, I didn't mean to. That I knew I was doing.
Bro, this school really is a mental asylum.
Why would you do that to us, man?
And
Okay. Evaluating logarithms without a calculator, okay?
Yeah.
Without
Some people are gonna struggle.
base 4
we're gonna do
of 64. So if you think about what you are asking yourself when you see this, if I said evaluate this, what is that? What does that equal?
I don't know.
Okay? 64. So you're gonna ask yourself the question, 4
It's on the
to
wall.
what power
equals 64.
equals, yeah,
3.
64. Because you're
It's right
thinking
there.
4 to something
Oh, yeah.
equals that, right?
Yeah,
Three
it's
is
3.
on.
So 4 to what power?
3.
The third power. So this equals 3. That's your answer. You're just like, what is that? It equals 3.
But like, let's say there's a harder one out there where we don't have it up on the 40 board. How do we figure that one?
Yeah,
I
what
mean, maybe I'll give you the little like 4 function
Brown.
calculators, but I think you can do something.
Brown,
Yes?
there won't be any decimal exponents, will there?
Oh yeah,
I'm
there's not.
about to get to
Ain't no
something.
way.
No.
Not decimal x. Is it exponent?
Or fraction
I
exponents.
think fraction would be better than decimal. Wait,
Oh
no,
my
it's the same thing.
God. I don't want
Can
to
we
commit.
please have a 4 function calculator if there's those?
I don't want to commit.
Why don't we use our
suicide.
actual
You're
calculator?
big kids. You should be able to.
Big kid. Ain't nobody doing this math.
There's
Okay.
calculators.
5 to what power equals
You're the only
0.2?
one that's doing this.
So if we wanted to rewrite this, if you like the rewriting, you could write this 5 to what power equals 0.2. This is what we're trying to figure out, right?
No, there's no.
To have?
Is it negative?
Okay. So what will help you though, change the decimal to a fraction. So
Negative 1.
0.2 is the same as what fraction?
1 over 20.
Ooh, what place is this? Do y'all know what place this is?
It's the tens.
The
One-
tens?
It's
Y'all
one
don't know?
fifth.
It's
One
1
fifth.
over 20.
Okay, so this
Oh wait, no.
0.2, this is 2/10,
I'm dumb.
That's 1/5.
which is, thank you
1/5,
David,
yeah.
which is 1/5. Okay. Okay, so now we've got something that makes sense. 5 to what power equals 1/5? What would make 5 flip over?
Negative.
1.
Yeah, good. So that means this equals -1. And I just added that x. This wasn't necessarily an equation, but I created this little equation so you could see what we're looking for. Okay? So 5 to some power equaled this, and we had to do a little work on this to get something we could recognize.
Can you do another one like that?
And then we do
Yes.
homework.
And we're allowed to have a 4-step calculator, right?
Huh?
We're gonna be allowed to have a 4-step calculator, right?
Maybe.
Why can't we just use an app?
Please. There's calculators in the real world.
Yeah.
That's true.
There's also like, I mean, the internet, but they don't let you use that for history.
Actually, he
If
does.
we're being legally.
I mean, legally.
J.Brown, what do you
Take
mean?
him test?
It's Justin.
It's a group quiz.
What?
She said.
Who needs
some
the
people
internet
don't
after
use
class?
the
We
internet
have
for
Renshaw.
history. And I was like, we have Renshaw. We don't need the internet.
We have Google. We don't need more.
Okay,
We
this
love
one's,
you, Renshaw.
Alright.
alright,
He didn't say it
I
back.
know.
okay. So this
Well, no, he
one,
does
oh,
say
this
it
one
back.
you
It's
see.
been going
Sorry.
around.
Okay. 1/5 to what power equals 125? And if you want to write it like this, you can. This helps you. 1/5 to what power equals 125?
Oh, I got it.
Got it.
-5.
Girl.
Close.
I ain't
No?
no math.
Oh!
Yeah.
-2.
Four.
-2.
4? Is it -4?
What?
How
What's
do
a 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 125.
5 times 5
Negative
is 125. 25 times
5
5.
is
Oh crap, it's 30.
125.
Yeah, so it's 3.
Oh crap, it's 3.
Okay, so
Wow, those answers are all over the
okay,
place.
look. Think about the connection between 5 and 120. 125 is a power of 5, right? 5 squared is 25. 5 to the third power is 125. But this is 1/5. So we've got to do 1/5 to some power. So in order to flip this over, you guys are right, it would have to be 1/5 to the negative third power. So this would be -3.
Can you do one or let's do it by ourselves?
Yeah, let me do one. There's one more example that I want to show you first.
There's one more example.
Just of a different situation. So log base 36 of 6. Do not let this one confuse you.
Whoa.
It already
No.
did.
I got it, I think.
As soon as you said that, it confused everyone.
Okay. Which is the bottom number and which is
36.
Okay.
I would do that. So this one, 36 to some power.
Oh,
What?
this is easy.
Equals
Got it.
6.
Is it a fraction? Is it a fraction?
It's 2.
No,
No, it's not.
5.5.
No,
Yes.
it's
Oh, 1/2, yeah.
Okay, so
That makes me feel
So, Jake, you're thinking of 6 squared.
Yep.
6 squared equals 36.
Oh.
But this is 36
Yeah,
to what power? So we're getting smaller.
Gotcha.
So
it would be 0.5, would it?
It would be.
Do 1/2.
So-
Yeah.
1/2.
the
Oh,
square
yeah, never
root,
mind.
the
Forget I
square
said
root
that.
of 36 is 6. But how do we write a square root as an
The school.
exponent?
0.5.
It's 0.5 or 1/2.
Yeah.
We can say 36 to the 1/2 power equals 6. So remember that
Okay.
square root is the same as like something to, let's say like 4 to the 1/2 power. Third root is the same thing as 8 to the 1/3 power. So just remember that if you're looking for a root, you can write those as fraction exponents. Okay,
Example.
We'll
I
find
think
it.
that is
Jack,
probably
we still have to do our
all
thing.
we
I
can
know,
handle
we're into it.
today.
Yeah. I got an idea though, or I was given an idea.
What?
Get a big sheet of cardboard and put it on it, so that way it's like an actual
Like
note
an
card
actual note card? Okay.
that has stiffness and thickness
That might work.
instead of just being a piece of paper.
Be
That'll be
nice.
so fun.
Be nice.
That will be fun. And we actually have to like put notes on it.
I think we should just put it right there.
I was gonna put it in front of the board,
Could do that.
cause then
Just
everyone.
like a note.
Sunday snap.
Yeah.
That is-
It's our note card.
Yeah.
Communism.
Not right now,
What'd you say?
This class.
Don't we all?
You hate this class.
Yep.
I'm gonna kill myself.
She's not the only one.
This round, I don't hate the class.
That's
it's
no,
just
no.
teaching.
Kaylee, it's fine. Remember yesterday in history when you were like,
So you're a great teacher, Matt. But the subject is from scratch. No.
Very dark on this is actually Chinese.
We just want the homework. There's nothing to do with me. In his defense, he hasn't asked for the homework a lot. That's been everybody back there.
Today.
That is a complete lie. The entire day you have been
Of all
asking.
time or today?
No, today
Because
you just
today,
asked.
because today I just want to get the homework.
I thought it was all, wasn't it all Jake and
No, it was
Kate?
all-
Oh, never mind.
I never said it once. You think I want homework? I don't want
Leave it
homework.
alone, Justin. Just leave it alone.
Bella, dude.
Anybody wants.
No,
Oh, I took notes on your children, bro.
I just want the home.
And then I'll suffer once I get home because at least I'm in a
Can you
comfortable
write the
place.
answer down?
Not this
Or no?
prison that they call school.
Yeah, what's the answer to number 1?
1/3.
Yes!
Oh yeah.